Wow.
Nínú oven ló lè máa.
But charcoal lèyàn máa lò fún.
Charcoal lélẹ́yìí.
Òun kọ́.
Oven lélẹ́yìí, agolo ló máa wà nínú ẹ̀.
Ẹ ṣé charcoal la máa lò fún ní abẹ́ electricity.
Charcoal lè máa lò fún, ẹ lè lo gas náà fún.
Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video from Ojuolape Space, and welcome to Ojuolape Space. Today I'm taking you to where they make pan, that is baking pan for cake, for bread here in Ibadan. It's a local way of making baking pan, even local made oven made with charcoal. So I'm taking you right to make it, and you're going to also see the price of pouring pot, this big pot they use in cooking party jollof rice. That big pot, you're going to also see how much they sell them, their real price here in Ibadan. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are watching me for the very first time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share my video. And if you are my returning subscriber, it's a very big thank you for always stopping by to watch my YouTube video. I hope you're going to love this video so much. So let's get to where they make baking pan and where they also sell these are our big pots for cooking our party jollof rice. The Yoruba call it ikoko earring. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video.
So this is how this man is making this cake pan. He has different shapes. So like he told me, this is making this on a request. They have booked for this particular small cake pan. They have different shapes, from love to the cycle to different small cakes. So like this one now, he made it on a demand. But if you want to go into the particular business of selling a cake pan, he can make it for you. You come around, you tell them your shape, you tell them the type of design, and you also tell them the size of the baking pan you want, and he's going to make them. Then you are going to sell. So this is a very good business idea. If you know you have flair, you like cake, you like baking, you have people that bake around and you don't really know where to get your baking pan, it's fully available. This man made it from scratch. He made it from, he's using aluminium to make it. He makes lots of them of different shapes. In fact, when I saw there is a shape he made that I was so amazed. He made them shoe. Sorry, I couldn't show you the shoe. He made a shoe shape, small and big size of shoe shape. So as you can, he has a lot of shapes that he's making, and their prices, although I was asking for price, it was trying like, okay, is when I'm ready to start the business, is when I'm ready to buy, then he's going to give me the price. He won't just give me the price, because anytime the price can, Nigeria now we did now, the price can go up, the price can also come down. So he didn't really give me price, but it was like, if I'm ready to buy, then I can come around, he's going to give me the price. So if you're ready, is here in Ibadan that is being made. But this one is a pan for bread, so they don't usually make one like the bakeries, they make lots of baking pan. So this one too is big, and this one they come with sizes. They have different sizes of this pan. So he was telling me there, and I now saw this pan. I was wondering, what is this for? So this particular tray is used for charcoal. If you want to bake your cake, your bread, anything you want to do, and you want to make use of charcoal, so that is where you're going to put your charcoal. And this is the main handmade oven. He made this oven, this size inside. I have to okay, let me see how the inside is. This inside, and it has tray. This is the tray. You put your pan, your flour after mixing. So like you were saying, they have different sizes of this oven. you can use electricity the way it's been said. You can use electricity, you can use your coal, charcoal, and you can also use your gas. I think when one is ready, it's going to put one throughout to really make it. So we have different sizes, and it was giving me different prices for different types of oven. So this is oven, you can, this, the closed one is the big one, while this is the small one. Now, like this small one is not too expensive. This small one is going for 8,000 naira, like he said. So this one is going for 8,000 naira. The same thing, just that, as you know, the inside is smaller than the other bigger size. So it was the pan, this pan down here, you put your charcoal inside, like inside there, then you put it inside that oven. So your bread is, or your cake is not going to have any contact with charcoal. So when it's there, it eats up whatever you are baking. So that is, you are going to love it. When I saw it, I had a neighbor that is using it. Although my neighbor is using it for roasting of fish. She does fish business, so she used her own. She also used the charcoal. She uses charcoal, and she uses it for roasting of fish. She doesn't bake cake. Now these are different shapes this man has made. No matter how small you want your shape to be, he makes small and big shape. It's so amazing, because he was like, okay, he wanted to finish that particular small baking pan he was making. If not, you will have make a bigger one. But I was like, I can't wait for him to round up these smaller pan. So, but he has already made ones that he has already made, and I was just like, wow, this is so amazing, and this is going on here in Africa. We are making this right here in our land. So now we are now moving to the same place they sell, they sell what we call aluminium pots. That is, the Yoruba call it ikokoirin, and the charcoal pots cooker. That is where you put your charcoal to cook, to roast, even to fry. And they also sell the aluminium spoons down to cooking, standing gas. They sell everything here. So as you can see, it's, if you want it, this is a particular place that they sell this here in Ibadan. It's not, they don't just sell it, you can't just find it anywhere, but these are already ready to be sold. But on a particular demand, if you want to make demand, because it's being produced in Oyo, in Shaki, that is in Oyo State. So if you want the one that will be customized in your name, then you have to, like, okay, you take it to Shaki. Your kokoirin, this big one, will be what will be baked on your behalf, even custom. Your name is going to be written on it, and as it goes, the price is not so high. The big size is now 12,000 naira. The big size, that is the big rice. This is the big pot they use in cooking your normal party jollof rice. That is why, I don't know, maybe it's just because of this particular pot. That is why you go to party and eat their jollof rice, you always feel this unique taste of jollof rice. You always feel. So they have gas stand of 2-phase, 3-phase. This is also pots, the one for frying. We have different types. The one for frying, the ones also for cooking our normal party jollof. So they have it in this place, in this area. So if you want the business, if you want to do the business, you can do the business. But if you want to buy, okay, to have at home, maybe when you have your party, you don't need to rent your normal kokoirin, then you can come over to this place to come and buy. It's very, very cheap at this particular market, because that is what they focus on, that is what they sell, down to the gas cooker, 1-phase, 2-phase, 3-phase, as big as you want, then to your everything you need for your party to cook in your party. These are already made oven that if you want it, you can contact them and you will love them. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and what share. If you also have this cocoa earring that is being sold wherever you are, you can let us know in the comment section and tell us how much they sell it, because these are the things that we need as housewife. You don't need to start renting or start borrowing. You need your own. Then they also amend your cocoa earring. If you have any cocoa earring you've bought for years and maybe probably is leaking, they also do that at that particular place if you want your cocoa earring to be amended. I say thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in my next video.